My name is Kalye Jones, and I'm the District Sales Manager for State Industrial Products in the Greater Atlanta area. I get to manage a team of relationship managers in Atlanta, and I love that my team is made up of a variety of skill sets, tenure, the geographies are different, but we get to save the day in so many different areas because we sell over 500 different products. Variety is the spice of life. This is a growth business, and what I mean by growth is working with my team, I get to help them grow in their knowledge and their abilities to help their customers. We get to grow our portfolio of people that we get to help. Because of the vast offerings that we have, there are so many, everybody's a customer. So we get to do more of what we love to do every day. So I'm a native New Yorker. However, my husband, Derek, and I live in Atlanta with our dogs, Harry and Max. And when I'm not out here saving work environments, we love to travel. I love to cook. I like to hack restaurant and cooking show recipes and things like that. We love fitness. I'm actually a certified cycling coach. I'm a huge spin class addict. Thank you for getting to know me better and learning more about my life as a district sales manager here in the Greater Atlanta area.